I've got to have a huge purse. But I know. I love how it's all white.
It's what?
How it's all white. I mean, just, you know. How long have you had it?
Let's see. I started mid-April.
Okay, I was going to say, yeah, it's probably been. Was that? I would have remembered this.
Oh, well, good. Well, thank you. I can so appreciate this. Do you have any news?
Wooden checkers.
Thank you. Okay.
More wooden checkers.
Look at that. Fruit box full of fools, $15.
Yes, I'll split it with you.
I actually don't mind it like
I like how you think.
Sounds good.
When are you
Can you
doing your
carry
next
that out?
show?
It is the same. Oh, the Miss French's show is
Well, any show.
any show. I'll do John Knox in September.
Oh, okay. Are you getting that?
Yes.
Well, that was quick. I just put it in 20 minutes ago.
Well, that's what happens sometimes.
That's good.
I hate when I post stuff on Etsy and that happens. It sounds awful.
Because you think.